Hello children, how are all of you doing today? Are you ready to start learning? Give me a thumbs up if you're ready. Fantastic. Do you remember the name of the story we talked about last time? What was it called? It was called A Loud Noise. Children, now let's learn to read some words. I'm going to say a word and you are going to repeat that word after me. Shall we start? All right. Was, must, soon, that, look, to, must, that, to, look, soon, was. Were you able to read all the words correctly? Great job. Children, now would you like to read the story with me? Wonderful. I will read a line from the story and you will repeat that line after me. Let's start. A loud noise. Boom, boom, boom. It was a loud noise. Who was making that noise? The insects want to know. The bee came out to look. The grasshopper hopped out to look. The butterfly woke up to look. Soon, the ants crawled out to look. There is no one around. It must be The elephant's walking to the pond. Say the ants. Children, in this story, we saw 4 different insects. Now, let's learn a little more about these insects. Do you remember the name of this insect? This is a bee. A bee is black and yellow in color. A bee lives in a garden. It drinks honey. It has wings so it can fly. Have you seen a bee before? Yeah? All right. What is this insect? This is a grasshopper. Grasshoppers live in the grass and they also eat grass. It is green in color. The grasshopper also has wings and it can fly. Look at this insect. Can you tell me the name of this insect? This is a butterfly. Butterflies are very colorful. Some are green, some are blue, some are pink like this butterfly, and others also have many different colors. Butterflies live in the garden and they drink honey from flowers. Butterflies also have wings and so they can fly. Do you remember the name of this insect? These are ants. Have you seen an ant before? Yeah, me too. Ants are red or black in color. Ants live under the ground. They live inside trees, under stones, in the sand. They live in all of these places. Ants eat all kinds of food. Ants do not have wings. They crawl. Did you learn something new about these insects today? Great! So children, have you seen an insect before? Where have you seen it? I saw a butterfly yesterday. I saw the butterfly in my garden. Children, let's do a worksheet. Look at this worksheet. Do you see some sentences on one side? Yes, and those sentences have a blank. On the other side, do you see 2 words? All right. You are going to look at the 2 words and choose the word that will fill in the blank. Let's do the first one together. Let's read the sentence together. It dash a loud noise. What are the 2 words on the other side of this sentence? They are was and want. Now, which of those 2 words should I write in the blank? It should be was. It was a loud noise. So you will put a tick on top of was. Did you understand how to do the worksheet? Great! Parents, please take a picture of your child's completed worksheet and upload it to the app. Thank you.